guys, if you've never seen my face before, my name is Safiyah. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I kind of just wanted to vlog for you guys. We're gonna be doing a day in my life, although today is Tuesday and it's like 9:30 at night. I got home from work maybe around like 8, but I just wanted to start the video tonight even though tomorrow is gonna be the main day in my life that you guys are going to be seeing. But we're starting tonight because I want to wash my hair tonight and I just wanted to include that in this video. But washing my hair sounds like so much work right now, and it's 9:30, but the only reason why I'm doing it today is because I don't work tomorrow. If I worked tomorrow, I would not be doing this right now. But yeah, I got home from work and I have just been chilling and made a little to-do list of all the things that I want to get done tomorrow. So I usually plan out week by week and make sure my off days I have something planned for me to do tomorrow. We got a good amount of things on the list. We're starting today. We're gonna wash this hair. Also disregard the hearts everywhere that you may see. They're still up from Valentine's Day. I'm just gonna hold my head over the bathtub and do it. We're filming a TikTok. Oop, we're filming a TikTok. I feel like I really gotta get on my TikTok game. I have really been slacking. I need to get back on the mindset that everything is content. Everything is content, everything is content. And I always feel like I have nothing to film, so then I have nothing to post because I'm not filming anything, so I feel like I have nothing to film. But I need to get back to just filming everything. So that's what we're doing. This is the shampoo we're using today. This is the Root Flow shampoo from Our Nappy Roots, which is a black-owned, Canadian, Toronto-owned hair care line. They sell hair care product and also like braiding hair for all the hairstylists out there. I wish I showed it to you guys before I shook it up, but that's what it looks like. But yeah, we're gonna use this and let's start washing this hair. We are also filming for YouTube. If you're not subscribed to my channel, you guys should definitely go subscribe. There's a setup. It's YouTube's view. Hair is washed. It's feeling so soft. Which is why I'm washing my hair, because I want my hair to be done. My hair is actually growing since I cut it. Like, where are you going? Like, this is actually so crazy. When I first cut it, I had to like fight it to sit on my shoulders. And now look at it. Now we're just gonna oil it with some Blue Magic and whatever this is. This is not actually a Miel oil that's in here. This was my mom's bottle and she bought a new hair oil and put a different hair oil in here for me. So I have no idea what's really in this bottle. But we're gonna oil this up with this and rig this through my ends. Actually, it's not morning, it's like noon. So good afternoon. Today is Wednesday and I have to start knocking stuff off my to-do list for today because again it's noon and I haven't knocked anything off my to-do list yet. So let's get to it. I feel like I feel like my space is feeling a little messy and I don't like it. So I want to tidy my space. I want to wash laundry. I need to vacuum and just like clean off tabletops and stuff. So we're gonna start with that. I'm supposed to go into this Black History Month event this weekend, and I bought something to wear, but I don't know if I really want to wear it now that it came. So I'm about to make a TikTok, ask TikTok what I should wear, show them all my outfit options, and see what the TikTok followers have to say. I'm trying to figure out what outfit to wear to this event that I have coming up this weekend. I need someone to tell me to just wear what I have in my closet and not go to the store. Okay, this is the first option. This is actually the outfit that I bought to wear to this event, but I don't know if it's too basic. I don't know what the dress code is. I just know I'm supposed to dress nice. So I was thinking maybe this jumpsuit with just a little bag and some pointy toe heels. Something like this, and then I could go either with like a black purse, maybe a little pop of pink. I don't know. It's cute. I'd be comfortable. I'd be a little warmer since it's pants and it's winter. And then I have like this little jacket. Okay, this is option number 1. This is option 2, but it's just so short. It stops like right under my bum. I'm gonna be pulling it down all night. I'm gonna be uncomfortable. But this was my birthday dress from last year, and it worked for my birthday because I just took pictures in it and celebrated at home in my house. I was debating on if I put stockings on under it, A, if that'd be cute, and B, if it would make me feel a little more comfortable about it being so short. Okay, this is what we're looking like. I don't know how I feel about that, and I still feel like it's super short. Length is really killing me. I feel like this is immediately a no. This is what I wore to my work Christmas party, and I feel like it's giving work party. I put the work dress on under this dress to give it some extra length. Can you guys see the separation or no? But like, why are you watching me that hard? Like, back up. Okay, let me know. This dress or the jumpsuit? And if you choose this dress, do I wear stockings or no stockings? Let me know. Help me out, please. It's 8:11 and I'm currently making spaghetti. I just finished making the ground beef. We got the noodles boiling. As you can see, there's a whole lot of ground beef because whenever I make spaghetti, I like to be like 70% beef and 30% sauce. I'm also gonna add some ricotta cheese in here. I typically would just do normal cheese, but this is what we have right now. Damn, I should have got another sauce. This is 95% beef, 5% sauce. No, do we have more tomato sauce? Okay, I definitely needed 2 cans of sauce.
Living inside of me, I can see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me, I can see it. I'm blind. Down to the we was never say that. I don't want pipe down, rather get paid back. Mama told me never sit where you lay at. I don't want righteousness, I hurt too much, I lost too much, I lost too much. I hit my clutch and boom, third day pop out the tomb. I like when you put your gun to the red light. I like all that violence, give me this one.
I just got out the shower and I'm getting ready for bed. It's about that time and I have work tomorrow, so I'm gonna try to head to bed early. So I'm gonna end the video here. Hope you guys enjoyed spending the day with me. We got some things done, things knocked off our to-do list, so it feels good to be productive. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram and TikTok to get triple the content from me, and I'll see you guys next Friday with another new video.